Yeah, when we're working on projects, we work on a lot of kitchen projects. And with kitchen projects, you really have to take a look at the amount of heat that comes in because you usually have a lot of windows and oftentimes they face east or west. And we have to worry about moisture in a kitchen. A lot of people that cook, you boil a lot of pots, you cook a lot on the stove top, and there's a lot more cooking grease and moisture that's in a kitchen environment than any of your other rooms. So we suggest a few different things for that. A lot of people do custom shutters in kitchens. Shutters work beautifully because you can just wipe them down. You can clean the cooking oil off of them or the grease. The moisture will not harm a composite or a polyresin shutter. Wood shutters would not be recommended for high moisture kitchens, but if you don't have a lot of moisture, then you're okay because you can still wipe the cooking oils off of those. We put those in a lot of eating areas because with a shutter, you can actually choose a divider rail that divides the shutter panel in half vertically. That means you could close the bottom half for privacy while you eat so your neighbors don't watch you eat in the kitchen, and leave the top part open to allow light in. Another of the treatments that we do are honeycomb shades in kitchens. Honeycomb shades do a really nice job of blocking the heat, and we can pair that with features like top down, bottom up that work just like the shutter I mentioned before. You could lower that shade from the top down, allow the light to filter over it, and still have privacy below that, and you're blocking the heat at the same time with a honeycomb shade that is designed and engineered to be the most energy efficient shade that you can do. Kitchens are kind of a tough one because a lot of your windows are near spaces where they could get dirty. Oftentimes your windows are around your kitchen table area, and if you've had young kids, like I've had young kids, you end up with spaghetti sauce splattered on something, or something definitely leaves the high chair, or chairs rub against it when they're pushed back. So you get a lot of dirt and grime that can actually end up on those shades. So we want to be really careful with what type of shades we put around those spaces. Another area that we really have to be careful of is that window that's typically over the kitchen sink or set of windows. Red wine gets splashed, pasta sauce gets splashed, anything when you're doing your dishes or cleaning can get splashed on those shades, so we have to be very conscientious of that. Shutters work really well in those situations, especially the composite shutters, because we can really clean those. Alternatively, if you're looking for a beautiful fabric design and you want a statement piece, but you also want to clean it, we have Sunbrella Roman shades with Sunbrella fabrics that are dyed throughout, so that if you do stain them, you can actually clean them with bleach. They're a pretty amazing fabric. It's a high performance fabric, and we do a lot of Sunbrella Roman shades over kitchen sinks because of the ability to clean them.